To show the number in a receipt basis, I just add the item dot number plus 1 inside this for loop. After that, the next task is for the summary statement. To get the summary in a receipt, I just modified these comments here so that it will give the summary by using this one, and the total will be calculated by using this value. The sum is the total here. Once this was done, I had to count the total item of the receipt, where the sum of each item was added a variable called sum and then be included on the printer interface as the total, so that we are just passing this sum value as a total, then it will be printed in the interface. Then the final task here was to provide a warning message if the recycling machine is full. In order to achieve this task, in receipt basis, I have used two different methods. Once I'm calculating the weight, another one is calculating the size. By using this one, these values will be passed here in the print receipt. Whether the weight is greater than equal to 2000 or the calculate size is greater than is equal to 500, in the sense it will give the message like the machine is full, or else it will show the normal output. If you want to add this one is manually, we will have to add some more item here, then it will show the output. And after that, here we are coming for activity C. In activity C, the task is using the recycling GUI provided via Brevo. I have added the additional buttons onto here. The task is we will have to get all the values from what we calculated by console and the interfaces. We will have to make appear in a GUI. For that, we are just creating other buttons here. The buttons we created will have to make in a panel. By using these buttons, we will have to grab the value from where it actually saved. For that, we are using these XN listeners. So for an example, if you press the button related to can, it should get the values from where it's saved already. So it will go to classify item, then from here it will take the value, same like that. From where it comes the value, it will take this button the values from my customer panel dot item received, same like that. All other buttons will get the values from there. And in a GUI, when we press this console, it will go to print console method. It will get the details from deposit item receiver object. So it will get the values here like that. If you press this receipt button, it will get the value from this method like that. We're just getting all the values from what we created already by using this GUI. And like if you press all those buttons, it will show the messages like this. Then while we press console, it will get the values from console, and when we press receipt, error has been added. The receipt will be appear like this manner. Then my percentage is around 50. And upon selecting the empty machine button, the entire item list is to get cleared, removing all the existing value of the items. While we clear, it will remove all the values of the item. I have also included the progress bar to indicate the machine capacity used based on the weight. When we add the values according to the weight, it will show the value. Then if it is machine full, it will show the message machine is full. While the machine is full, other buttons will be disappeared, and eventually I added the button random item. If you click that one, it will give you the dialog box like, sorry, we can't add this item. For this thing, the codes in Recycling GUI here, they have mentioned the calculate percentage for the bar. Then we are getting the value from here.